I had a great deal of trouble in ordinary conversations, but my teeth were so awful, well, what was left of them, and I was constantly aware of the problem. Well, I to be honest with you, I stopped eating, and I kind of concentrated on the easy stuff to eat. I just had enough. I didn't want it anymore. I felt I had to go and get some help and get rid of the problem, period. And then that was it. That was the decision that was made.
He was sort of struggling to really enjoy the food, and I could see it, and it made me feel bad. I looked for a long time, and it was really a struggle, because I knew what I wanted to do. I knew that I wanted to do for him the all-on-4 procedure that I had heard about and read about on the internet. I had a hard time finding a place that I could rely on, and then I saw Dr. George's infomercial, and that was really what convinced me.
A lot of older patients are hesitant to do anything. Just because you are older doesn't mean you want to lose the quality of life. You still want to socialize, you still want to go out, you still don't want to have pain, you still want to be able to smile and chew just like when you were 20 or 30 or 40. So when Jim came in, he just said, I look like a monster.
But I had made my mind up before I came. I wanted a complete replacement, and so after he went through it, I said just that. No, I want to have dental implants, uppers and lowers, plus check around for infections and whatever else could have gone wrong in the long time that I had suffered from this condition.
I think they want to make people feel comfortable. They're very good at putting people at ease. The outcomes, I think, they exceeded our expectations. They really exceeded our expectations.
It's so different. It's absolutely great. I don't even know they're there. I mean, it's just me. It's just a great experience. It's so worthwhile. I should have done it years ago, but I like fruit. One of our favorites happens to be apples. And I can eat them. I can eat anything, effortlessly and without even worrying about it or thinking about it. It means a lot as far as my eating is concerned. It really does. I wouldn't be here unless my daughter had looked up Dr. George. I'm very grateful to her. She took care of her dad.
I think the greatest thing about it is just not having to worry anymore, not having to think about either being self-conscious about your appearance or the foods that you can eat and can't eat, or just not even thinking about it. Just all that worry is gone, and he's just enjoying life, enjoying the food, and looking forward to going out and being with people and being at events.
I would recommend it to anybody and everybody. Do it, because your life will change.